I'm Daria Franz. Welcome to my channel, and I'll show today how to create pretty colorful objects looking like 3D in Photoshop without using any 3D tools. Okay, let's create new document, choosing 1600 pixels, 900 pixels, resolution let it be 72, RGB, 8-bit and black background. Okay, it's good. And let's add the layer where we are going to create the brush and choose the colors. So I'm going to Marquee Tools and choosing rectangular Marquee tool and creating not very big rectangle. Looks more like square, but it's okay. And let's go to Gradient tool. Choose the colors. Let it be two colors only, the blue and, for example, red. Okay, and choosing the type, the gradient, like this. I think it's good. Ctrl D to remove the selection, and I will create new layer, and here I will be drawing. Okay, but we have to choose the brush. I'm going to Brush Tools and choosing Mixer Brush tool. Okay, now Mixer Brush tool. I think it will be pretty large. Let's try 37, 13 something. And here, you see my spacing already decreased to 1%. Okay, those icons I'm choosing. And it has to be dry heavy load. Okay, sample all the layers and let us do our brush this color we did. Let's go to layer number 1 and Alt. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to make our background not visible. So now let's do it. I think our brushes are a little bit big. Let's decrease its size, and I can see that in red and blue color are here, are chosen. Okay, let's go to level 2 and make our black background visible again, but our layer 1 not visible, and let's start drawing. I think it's good. Okay, let's create something else. I'm going back to layer 1 and choosing elliptical Marquee tool and doing some ellipse. It's more like circle. Going to Gradient tool and let me do it from yellow, for example. Nice yellow, like this, to green. Okay, and something like that. Ctrl D, brushes. Oh, again, visible background. Let's do it not visible. It will be good. I'm going to layer 2, making background visible and layer 1 not visible. And let's do something like this. I think it's nice. Okay, that's it. There are a lot of possibilities, a lot of shapes, and we did not use 3D tool. Okay, thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!